Did you know that rosemary isn't just for cooking? Rosemary is one of the most powerful herbs on the planet, used for hair growth, back pain, and to reduce inflammation. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make your own rosemary oil at home with simple ingredients. But before we dive into it, smash that subscribe button if you want more natural ways to look and feel better. The first step is to wash fresh rosemary to remove any dust or bugs. Then gently pat rosemary with a clean towel to remove as much moisture as possible. This helps to prevent spoilage during the oil infusion. The next step is to remove the leaves from the stem. You'll need 1 cup of rosemary leaves, not packed too tight. These leaves are full of nutrients which helps with inflammation, circulation, and scalp health. Rosemary stimulates hair growth, boosts circulation to the scalp, and help with hair thinning. It also reduces dandruff. It has antimicrobial and antifungal properties which helps to clear flakes and soothe itchy scalp. In addition to this, rosemary strengthens hair follicles. It is rich in antioxidants that protect hair follicles from damage. This herb is so powerful that it helps to prevent premature graying. It also balances scalp oil, helps to control excess oil without drying out the hair. So after destemming our rosemary, we just place it into a measuring cup to ensure we get 1 cup of rosemary. The next step is to place 1 cup of rosemary into our saucepan, and as best as possible, we spread evenly in the pan. For the 1 cup of rosemary, we'll be using 2 1/4 cups of olive oil. Olive oil helps to penetrate the hair to prevent dryness, frizz, and breakage. It also helps to hydrate the scalp while calming itchiness and flakiness. In addition to this, olive oil smooths the cuticle layer of the hair for a natural, healthy sheen. Olive oil also strengthens weak hair strands and protects your hair from split ends and thinning. So pour your olive oil over your rosemary in your saucepan. The next step is to apply heat to your oil. So you will turn on your flame and you will turn it on low heat. After doing this, you will start to stir the rosemary and allow the infusion to take place. Here are 10 amazing benefits of rosemary oil. Number 1, it promotes hair growth. Number 2, reduces dandruff. Number 3, strengthens hair follicles. Number 4, relieves back and joint pain. Number 5, improves memory and focus. Number 6, eases headaches and tension. Number 7, fights inflammation. Number 8, supports healthy skin. Number 9, boosts circulation. And number 10, it's a natural mood booster. While stirring occasionally, we watch the color of the rosemary change from bright green to a soft brownish tone. Once this is done, it's time to turn off the flame and let it cool. The next step is to strain it into a clean bowl using a fine strainer or cheesecloth. This helps to separate oil from the plant material. After the separation is done, then we will add a little vitamin E oil into our rosemary oil and we will mix that in properly. Now let's add our rosemary oil to our dropper bottle, and we are using a dark dropper bottle. This helps to protect from light damage and also to preserve potency of the oil. For all the persons who have stick around this long, just remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And for all the persons who would like your rosemary oil already made for you, you can click the link in the description to get Eliyah Mashiach Rosemary Oil. Here's how you use the rosemary oil for hair growth and back pain. For hair growth, you can apply 1 to 2 teaspoons of rosemary oil to your scalp. Gently massage for 5 to 10 minutes in a circular motion, and you can do this 2 to 3 times a week. For back pain, you can warm a small amount of oil by rubbing it between your palms or placing the bottle in warm water for a few minutes. Massage the oil into lower back, shoulders, or any sore muscles or joint for 5 to 10 minutes. For best results, do this before bed or after a hot shower. If you have enjoyed this video and want to see more videos like this, comment below, I want to see more videos. And remember, subscribe.